Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's.
Hey guys, welcome back to Self-Care Health and Wellness. Welcome back to another video, guys. This morning I'm gonna do 50 stretches. One, two, working on the tummy muscles. Right, guys? Three, four, five, six, seven. I'm feeling in here, guys. So you rest if you are tired, right? 8, 9, 10. Oh, feeling it, guys. Feeling it right here. So if you're tired, rest. Rest, people, rest. If you're tired, right? So that's 10. So if you're tired, rest. You're working your 5 sets of 10, which is 50. So I've gone 1 set, right? Whew. This, guys, stretch it out. It's not easy, but try, right? Yes, so that's 1. Yeah. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! Rest. Rest, guys. We're working on the tummy. Woo. So that's 5. Ooh, rest. Rest. So that's 5. That's the guys. Rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh boy. So that's 2 sets of 10, guys. Move. If you're tired, you rest. 2 sets of 10. So I'm doing 5 sets of 10. So I have 3 left. Try it, guys. Try it. Burning. Burning the tummy. Whew. Yeah. If you are tired, you rest. Stretch it out. Stretch it out, guys. Yes, guys. Stretch it out. Stretching is good for us, especially for person with arthritis. Yeah. Also, with stiffness in their back and their legs. Yes, stretching is excellent for us. So guys, do your exercise. Very important for all of us, right? Yes, like I always said, ones off diseases, right? So let's go again. working on the tongue, guys. Stretch. Let's go. Cross the legs. Right? Cross the legs. Let's go. Under the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo. Oh. Burn. Burn. Woo. Burn, guys. Burn. Oh. Okay. Gotta rest. No need to rush it, right? No need to rush it. Yes. No need to rush it, guys. Stretch. Stretch. Yes. No need to rush. Alright? Let's go again. Cross the leg. Cross the leg. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo. 5. Oh. So that's 30, guys. Rest, peeps, rest. Alright, rest. That's 30. Rest. Rest, guys, rest. That's 30. No need to hurry. Rest. Rest as you do it, guys. Perseverance. Endurance. Push, guys. Push. Perseverance. Endurance. Push. Don't tell yourself you can't. Tell yourself, say, yes, I can. And I will. You will make it. Exercise is excellent for us. It's one of diseases, right? Yes. Yes, guys. Burns calorie. Yeah. So at this time I'm burning off calorie. Right? So I'm working my tongue. Burning off calories out of my tummy. Building muscles in my tummy. Yeah. Okay, so I have what? 20 leave, right? So I'm doing 5, 5, let it much easier than go 10, 10. So that's 30. Let's go again. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 35. Oh, legs burning, tummy burning, everywhere burning, right? So we have 15 leave. We're gonna make it. We have to do it. Yes, we're gonna make it. We have to do it. 15 leave. Let's do 5 more, make 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 10 more, guys. Oh my God. 10 more. Ah, endurance. Endurance, guys. That is it. Endurance. Endurance, my sweet people. That is it. Oh, so we have 10 more. Whew. When you're doing exercise, guys, it's discipline. Yes, perseverance, right? Endurance. Yeah. Gotta do this. Don't tell yourself that you can't. You gotta do this. I gotta do this. I have to do this. I only have 10 leave out of the 50. Oh, that's it. Yeah. So let's go again. So we're doing 5, right? So I'm gonna do 5 now. Need 45. Then I have 5 left. Endurance, guys. Endurance. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. 5 leave, guys. 5. Ooh. Endurance. Ooh. Stretch. You don't need a race with no one. Take your time. Yes, take your time. All right. So we have 5 leave, guys. 5. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Woo. 5. So this is 50, guys. 50. Not easy, guys. Like I said, endurance. Endurance. So you can try this one, guys. You don't have to do 50, but I can do 2, 3, 4, 5 until you gradually go up. You can do 105. Yes. So I did 50. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for listening. Please remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Right, guys? Tell a friend about self-care, health, and wellness. Let they come over. Right, my peeps? Thank you. Big up to all my subscribers. One love to each and every one of you. Big up to all my people who does not subscribe. I love you the same. Right? Yes. Consider subscribing. Right, guys? Don't be afraid. Stretch. Yes. Stretch, guys. Touch your toes. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Ooh. Okay.